Good morning, freshman pirates. We are starting a new unit in science today. Our new unit objective is this long statement down here at the bottom: plan and conduct an investigation to gather evidence to compare physical and chemical properties of substances, to infer relative strength of attractive forces between particles. I've broken that into 3 parts for an activity later today and color-coded them. But again, you should kind of get that plan in the back of your mind that as we move forward, that's kind of what we're shooting for. For class today, you're going to start a new Bellwork presentation, and to do that, click on Properties of Matter Bellwork Submission right here, and do these 3 things today. Put your name and date on the title slide, give it a title like Properties of Matter Bellwork, and then insert a photo of yourself today without a mask. Especially important for virtual students, as this is how I'm trying to get to know you and connect your name with your face in the event that we're not virtual next semester. And then submit it for today. Don't forget, we'll submit this every day. Every day there'll be a new slide to add and so forth. The first assignment for today, we are going to do what's called a word sort for properties of matter. So when you open this assignment, here are the instructions. It's a 10-point assignment, and if you scroll down, you'll notice here's a scoring guide kind of explaining how you're going to get 10 points. You will also have 2 different options. One is to create a poster. So this would involve you pulling up this word list and writing them out on like little pieces of paper or sticky notes, and then arranging them and taping them down. The other option would be to do that kind of with an electronic Google Draw document where you would type them in groups in text boxes and so forth. And then if you're going to do the poster option, make sure your poster is legible. Can I read what's on the poster in your photograph? You could also submit a video of the poster where you kind of talk about it if you're not sure it would be readable. For the Google Draw option, you're just going to submit your Google Draw document. Couple of resources. I have the vocabulary list linked right here. So I just showed you this view right here. That list is linked here. It's also linked down here, the terms only. I've also given you a vocab list that has the definitions for each word. So if that helps you to sort or organize them, dive into what the definition of each word is to help you with this assignment. Again, you're sorting the concepts or terms just like you would sort silverware when you're doing the dishes. All the knives go together in a slot for knives. All the spoons go together and so forth. So what are the common words that are similar or related, connected in some way? And you're choosing the connection. So there's not just one way to sort these terms. You need to sort them in a way that makes sense to you. And you do need at least 4 groups. Once you've completed that, you'll submit that. And then the second part of the assignment for today is called the objective reading. And so when you click here, it takes you to the instructions. The objective is this right here, 1, 2, and 3, or you can write out the long version, do one or the other. But ultimately, when you open this assignment, it asks you to do 3 things. Record a video of yourself reading the objective that you wrote out on paper. So you first need to write the objective out on paper, and then introduce yourself in the video, read from the paper that you created with the objective on it, and finally show me the paper in the video, and then submit your video. To do this, you could do it using Photo Booth and just change it to video, or when you go to submit assignment here, it gives you an option to record and upload media, and it'll record it right here in Canvas for you. Let me know if you have any questions. Again, the Zoom times are posted. If you have the need to ask a question kind of in person, one-on-one, come into one of the Zooms. If not, I will always be checking my email and respond as soon as I can. Again, Zoom times are right here. Have a good day, good extended weekend. We get a 4-day weekend.